everybody. Today I'll be sharing some points on the topic interest. So I'll be covering the modules interest, simple interest, compound interest and power of compounding. So let us know what is interest. Interest is like a fee. When you pay in interest, you borrow some amount from say a bank. When you put money away into your savings account, you lend money to the bank and for a long period of time without withdrawing it. So let us know about what is simple interest. The interest calculated on the sum that you lend or borrow is called as simple interest. So there are three components that play the role in the calculation of simple interest. They are, the first one is initial principal, the second one is annual rate of interest, and the third one is time. And the formula of simple interest is equal to PTR divided by 100. And this formula could be used in situations like this. Suppose you save rupees 1 lakh at a rate of interest of 5% at the time of 10 years, and your savings will increase to rupees 1,50,000, and this could be found by using the formula of simple interest. Now let us know about what is compound interest. The simple interest alone doesn't do much to your money, and this is when compound interest comes in. The interest earned on the interest to the addition of the interest earned and the sum of the principal is known as compounding. So there's a quote saying compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world, and he who understands it earns it, but he who does not know it, doesn't know it, pays it. So this was said by Albert Einstein. Now there are three components that play a role in the calculation of compound interest. They are, the first one is initial principal, the second one is annual rate of interest, and the third one is time. So the formula of compound interest is principal of 1 plus the rate of interest divided by 100 to the power of time. And this formula could be used for the situations like this. When you save rupees 1 lakh in a bank earning up to an annual rate of interest of 5% for a term of 3 years, then your principal will grow up to rupees 1,15,762 rupees, and this could be found by using the formula of compound interest. Now let us know about what is power of compounding. So over the years, the interest on interest effect causes the wealth to rapidly snowball. The longer you save or stay invested, the more wealth you potentially earn, and this is called as power of compounding. So let us move on to magic of compounding. The first point is, the biggest thing you gain from the magic of compounding is the enormous value of time. And the second point is, compounding effect starts slow, but over 10, 20 and 30 years, the value of your money increases. For example, rupees 1 lakh, if you earn rupees 1 lakh at a rate of interest of 10%, then it will be worth, like, for a time of 5 years, you earn a principal of rupees 1,61,000. Then for a term of 30 years, the same 1,61,000 rises up to 17,45,000. And this is the magic of compounding. And finally, we understood that interest is like a fee which we pay in savings. The simple interest earns a flat interest over time, and interest on interest is called as compounding, and divide your savings and investments in a long term of time.